Morning.
So after I get out of the shower, I pack my toiletry bag. Everything in my toiletry bag is under 3.4 ounces. I have a big drawer in my house where I keep all of my minis for skincare, hair care, toiletries, whatever it may be, and I just fill up the bag with everything that I need. I keep everything under 3.4 ounces so that I can pack this in my carry-on to save room in my bigger bag, and this is super smart, especially if you are an overpacker. This is my airport attire. Hey, nothing crazy here. I look pale as ever. Scary. Also, bras are not a thing. White chocolate shell, but this one's white. So I may or may not be an overpacker, but kind of comes with the job because I want to get some content for you guys. So I try to pack light, not too heavy, but I also bring an extra outfit, 2 or 3. But I think that I pack smart because I put all my heavier items like my shoes and toiletries in my carry-on. how we extended our trip a little bit longer. Never flown first class before. I'm excited to see all the like holiday stuff in LA. So I've been to LA so many times, and I even lived in LA for a couple months, but never was there during the holidays. So I'm excited. I don't even think I've been to the airport during the holidays. First class. See you. See you probably not for a while. I don't see any decorations for Christmas in here. Who the hell decorated that tree? I've already made the room a mess. Got a shower, toilets. Literally already a mess. Kind of magical here, and I love it. Hey! Hey! Oh my god! I think I'm gonna get this bag. Is it cute? Okay, just got back to the room. I bought a cute bag today for my outfits. She's very sparkly. We're kind of going, it goes with this lady here with the silver sparkles, or my leather jumpsuit. $1:53 here. But it is like 5 a.m. at home and I need to go to bed. Hopefully gonna try to go to the gym tomorrow. We will see about the gym, but good night. So the part of the vlog that you guys all may want to see is already up. I put it in a separate video. It's in its own little holiday makeup and hair tutorial. It is the OGX holiday party day. We did a little shopping. I did a hair tutorial for you guys, and also a very, very pretty holiday makeup. And yeah, if you guys want to see that, I'm going to link it over here. It's going to be in the description. It is the last video right before this one, so go and check it out. But it's so cute. Look how pretty. This is so cute. Ooh. It's so pretty. really like this angle for a photo. What a mess. You guys, good morning. My God, I woke up last night at like 3:30, 4:30 in the morning. I woke up and my stomach, I don't think I've ever felt that type of pain in my stomach before. And I was so convinced that I had food poisoning. And I literally sat on the bathroom floor waiting to puke. I actually didn't end up throwing up, but let me tell you, I was waiting for it to come because I really I was like, you know, when, I don't know, you know the feelings you get right before you throw up? Yeah, that's how I was feeling, but it just wasn't happening. But I ended up putting myself back in bed and forcing myself to go back to sleep. On my way to my meeting. It's really nice out today. Sephora. I got some goodies. I love Laguna. I wanted to try Casino. I also have been wanting to try another dewy foundation. And this guy.
You did it! Oh no, no, no! You are doing so good! Oh.
Cranberry Sprite. Really good. It's Disney Day. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what Disneyland looks like. Going back to the hotel room, and me and Shelly are going to hop in an Uber and go to the airport and go home. I'm actually excited to go home. I just have so much to do and I want to get back to my routine and do it. So I'm ready. home and already watching Christmas movies.